Hey guys, I'm Pascal Paul. I'm from the western suburbs of Chicago in Illinois. I'm 16 years old and I'm really excited to take this online class for Introduction to Music Production. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. This video is in reference to the Pickup Connections video in the lesson lectures. Today, I'll be teaching you 2 out of the 5 options that are shown in the lesson lectures. Option number 2 and option number 4. Now, option number 4 is the preferable option. But let's start with option number 2. You're going to take your guitar and your 1/4-inch TS cable, plug in one side of the cable into the guitar, and before you plug in the other side, you want to make sure that the gain on your amplifier is all the way down. Just turn it down, it should be a knob. Then you take your cable and then you could plug it in to the input. Now, by turning down the gain, this could prevent those pops or clicks that you might get when plugging in your instrument, which could possibly ruin your equipment. So once that's down, you can plug it into the amplifier. Then you have your microphone. Now, it's interesting because you could have several placements for your microphone, and this is the point where you walk around your environment, your studio, home studio, wherever you're located, and you see, well, what would be the best placement for this microphone in order for me to get the best quality recording? In this case, I'm using a dynamic microphone, and I'm just placing it right by the amplifier. You could walk around, monitor, or listen to your surroundings and see what would work out best. Then you could take your XLR cable, and I always like to think of it as mic, spell it M-I-C, M-I-K-E, is a male. So therefore, you got to plug in a female end to it. Plug in the female end, and the male end goes into your audio interface. Now again, as we did with the guitar amp, you got to turn the mic gain down. If you're using a condenser microphone, make sure phantom power's off. In this case, I have a dynamic microphone, so I don't have to. Then you can plug it in, and then turn it up. And from now on, the audio interface connected via USB or FireWire, whichever way you prefer, goes into your computer and into your digital audio workstation, or DAW. So let's pick up option number 2. Okay, so let's move to option number 4, the preferable option. What's different about this option than option number 2 is that we'll be using a direct box and we won't be using a microphone. So, to get started, just like option number 2, you're going to take your guitar and take your 1/4-inch TS cable, plug in one side to the guitar, and then plug it into the direct box and the input, one of the inputs. Once that's done, you could take your second 1/4-inch TS cable right here, plug it into the second input through cable spot, and then that goes into your amplifier. And as always, make sure the gain is down, prevents those pops and clicks that are annoying and can ruin your equipment. Once that's in, you go to the back of the direct box, and now what you can do is plug in your XLR cable. What's nice about this is that you could have a short 1/4-inch TS cable from your guitar to the direct box and have a long XLR cable, which is a balanced cable, to your audio interface, which can prevent that noise. So once you plug that in to your direct box, the other side of the cable goes into your audio interface. And again, just to make sure, have your gains down. Mine's already down. Have your gains down. Make sure you don't have those pops and clicks. And you're all set. USB or FireWire to your computer, digital audio workstation or DAW, and you're set. So let's pick up option number 4. Thanks for watching my video on how to record a guitar with an amplifier. I hope it was very beneficial. Take it to the forums. Let me know how I did, if I missed any additional information. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.